Okay guys, for today's video, naalala nyo ba yung pinag-usapan natin about smart money na meron na siyang app at it's coming back daw? Well, ano na nangyari doon? Nagtingin-tingin ako ng update kasi dun sa app ko nakalagay waitlist pa rin ako, so wala nangyayari. So nag-check ako ng update and meron naman ako nakitang update. So yan ang pag-uusapan natin today. So samahan niyo ako, pag-usapan natin yan. Sit back and let's discuss. Coming right up. Hi guys, this is Pat and you're in Pat Quintos Review TV. So if you're new to my channel, I do reviews about personal finance na meron akong experience or meron na akong knowledge na ginawa ko na ng videos and playlist na makita nyo dito sa taas. At kung bago kayo dito sa channel ko, you may want to consider subscribing to my channel. Disclaimer lang po, medyo may sakit pa po ako, so please bear with my voice. Medyo ngongo pa po ako. So, sana naiintindihan nyo pa rin po yung mga sinasabi ko. Pasensya na po. Okay guys, so ano ba nangyari? Well, naglabas sila ng app. Hindi talaga in-specify kung ano yung reason. Pero ang sinabi lang doon, they're trying to combat daw yung leading electronic wallet app, which is si GCash nga daw. Pero alam mo yun, di ba? Ikaw kumpanya, may product ka na, may PayMaya ka na, or may Maya ka na. Pero ba't naglabas ka pa ng another competing product? So ano ba yon? Anong strategy? Strategy ba is to get more market share? Pero, di ba, iisipin din ng tao,
Kayo din yun eh. Parehas na parehas yung ano nyo eh. Yung product offering nyo eh.
mabuti sana kung, kunyari, black yung itsura, tapos tipong parang ibang company yung nag-gets nyo ba? Apparently, ang reason pala dito is that hindi kontrolado ni PLDT yung majority stakes nung Maya Bank. So, ang balak nila ng PLDT is to have a controlling stake sa Maya Bank. So, since nawala sila nun, naglabas sila ng smart money na e-wallet. And nakita ko dito na sa initial phase pala nila, ang gumagamit lang nito is mga employees ni PLDT or ni Smart. So, that's why wala pang movement or naka-waitlist lang talaga sa mga smart money app nating mga user. Ito yung news na nakita ko and babasahin natin today. Maya or smart money? Pangilinan says only one stay. O, isa lang daw talaga. Manila, will PLDT back both smart money and Maya? PLDT and Smart Chairman and CEO Manny Pangilinan said the two units can still coexist for now. However, he said one may have to go eventually. PLDT owns less than 40% of Maya, which is both a digital bank and an e-wallet. The other investors, including global investment firm KKR, own the remaining shares. Meanwhile, Smart Money, which was revived recently, is fully owned by PLDT and its precursor to Maya. Pangilinan said they are keen on increasing their stake in Maya. Whether other investors sell all of it or some of it, we don't know that. We've been keen to buy all or part of their stake, Pangilinan told the reporters. But Pangilinan said that eventually there can only be one e-wallet for PLDT. We'll find out what we will do, Smart Money or PayMaya. And I think it will turn on what KKR wants to do. Because for now, management essentially of Maya is with them. It's not really with us. If they completely sell out their stake of 30%, then we'll take over the management and we'll do something with both wallets. We can have two wallets, you can only have one. Yan o, sabi dito, we are actually piloting Smart Money but specifically aimed at the employees of the MVP group of companies. So, yun pala ang reason kung bakit walang movement sa accounts or pag-create ng accounts ng Smart Money. So, parang ang nangyari siguro is they are testing the water nung nilabas nila yan sa App Store para malaman kung merong mga taong interested tapos nag-sign up for waitlist. At least kahit pa paano they would have the feel na kung sino yung mga taong maging interesado doon sa app. So, yun pala yung reason. They do not have the controlling shares or the management of the Maya Bank. So, it makes sense naman na the MVP would buy yung mga shares ng other investors nila. Kasi alam naman natin na yung smart money is sa smart talaga. Nag-evolve yung smart money, naging PayMaya. From PayMaya, naging Maya. And yun yung alam nating evolution. Sa pagkakaalam ko talaga na si PLDT Group or si MVP ang nagmamanage ng Maya or PayMaya. Ngayon ko lang nalaman din na hindi pala sila yung nagmamanage or nagko-control ng Maya Bank. So, eto si KKR daw. KKR and Company Incorporated, also known as Kohlberg Kravis Roberts and Company, is an American global private equity and investment company. So basically, investor pala talaga sila, naghahanap ng mga companies kung saan sila mag-i-invest. Given that, okay lang naman yon maging investor. Pero I think kung sila yung may controlling stake, edi parang nawala na yung line of business nila, yung purpose nila na mag-invest sa mga companies. So, it just really makes sense na kung mapupunta kay MVP yung controlling stake nung Maya Bank at sila yung magmamanage, well, I think it's a win-win situation for both na makakabalik yung KKR sa paghahanap ng mga companies na pwede nilang pag-investan while si PLDT or si MVP can go back and managing yung Maya Bank. Well, in other news naman, KKR taps Goldman Sachs to manage the potential sales of their stocks. Siguro nga, later on, mababaon na lang sa limot at mawawala na lang si smart money, lalo na kung matuloy itong pag-purchase ni MVP ng controlling stake sa Maya Bank. Okay, for our question of the day, sa tingin nyo, if hindi makukuha ni MVP yung controlling stake sa Maya Bank, magtutuloy-tuloy ba ang pagbibuild up nila ng smart money? And if so, sa tingin nyo, gagamit din kayo neto? Well, let me know sa comment section sa baba at may chance kayong manalo ng 1,000 pesos sa ating weekly GCash giveaway. Yun lamang po for today's video, but before we end, mag-shoutout po muna tayo at shoutout kay at Jepper Pardet 3375. Sabi niya, thank you for your information, always watching your vlog. At Jepper Pardet 3375, shoutout po sa inyo. Salamat po sa panonood at pagsuporta ng mga videos ko. Yan. Thank you so much po. I hope you like this video, leave a thumbs up, and if not, wala namang problema dyan, but continue to support me by subscribing to my channel by clicking the subscribe button and also the bell button sa tabing subscribe para makareceive kayo ng latest notification sa lahat ng upload ko. Again guys, this is Pat Quinto and you're in Pat Quinto's Review TV. Bye-bye!